Alright, this is a pizza vending machine. It's one of the few in the United States. And it's in Lakeland, Florida. I'm going to try it out. See how it is. Actually be good, who knows. Saw it on the news. It's owned by an Italian company. I guess they're going to make some changes soon. Bigger display, and Italian recipes might not be enjoyed by Americans as much. So they're going to tweak it. So I want to try it before they change it. It's like I said, it's a new thing. And it looks like cheese is 6, mushroom and pepper is 6, well, 4 cheese is 6. I'm not sure if you do like a custom thing or how it goes. Oh, it's iron weld, made in Italy, it says right there. Let's give it a try. Here, hey. I have you hold the camera while I do this.
Okay. Where do you want me to hold it?
Just not filming, you know?
Go ahead.
Give it a try. I'm not sure if you could do some extra stuff. I'm just going to do really general. Let's get a regular one. And I'll try this again. Like I said, you might be able to custom it. I don't know. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will get the 4 cheese. I have to put the money in first. Okay. I'll take the money then. Okay, wait a minute, I gotta figure this out. Oh, no wonder, it says out of service. This knows that now. And this was just filmed the other day, so.
I tried one of them. It's pretty good pizza. But I don't think it comes out the cardboard. You gotta have, when I got it out, we didn't have a damn thing for later. Yeah, so you know. Come out with a piece of cardboard or something.
Well, on the news it had like a little, like almost like a plastic tray or something. So maybe it's out of it or something.
When I got it working, but I mean, I didn't do anything last night. I woke up and got it working. I had to get something moving.
Thanks. Looks like we might have to come back. Here's the nutrition facts for the 3 choices. Cards offline by vendor. Well, alright, looks like we're gonna have to come back. It's located at oops. So it looks like inside. Oh, there's the cardboard thing. It's located at Mobile in Lakeland, so I'll definitely be coming back and trying it. You know, I don't live in Lakeland, so I had to come all the way out of town to come up here, so maybe a few days before I come back. I wanted to show it, and we'll see how it goes when I come back. Really disappointing though, because I was actually looking forward to it. Shoot. But I'll be back. Alright, if you have any comments or questions, put them below. I'm always happy to answer your questions. I look forward to talking to you again soon, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Bye. No, yeah, that's the machine. Alright, that's the 4 cheese one. It's pretty tasty.
Isso aqui vai bombar. Mais de 10 mil, né? Isso aqui, né? 10 mil.
Really good.
Mil. Vai ter influente de novo. Botar um técnico, que não sou eu,
There.
mas podemos fáceis, easy, resolve a chave, mouse, botamos moeda, fácil. Não, mas a chave. Não, isso é o sim. Você vai ensinar. Vamos ter as pizzas a ficar congeladas.
You do it.
Fine. Yeah. We want. We're gonna get 2.
Em português, entendo. É mais ou menos o mesmo.
Okay. Okay, it's being prepared.
Almost the same, but different word. Isso aí eu respondo a mensagem. A hora que você escutou a mensagem, eu achei dentro de mim. Desculpa, eu estava querendo embora. Eu escutei e não consegui falar com você, porque ali do Ronald Reagan.
Okay, smell right down there.
Não pega. Yes, find another one? The mushroom one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Talk about it. Yeah. It's good. So if you talk about it.
Normalmente, a máquina ela tira um pouquinho. Mostra os lugares puxados. Mas não é o normal. O normal é diferente. O normal estamos calibrando. O aqui está pronto. Ele for one as well? Por aqui, ó. Ali.
There's a little countdown right there. Okay, so it goes pretty quickly.
E a do BC, eu chamo de BC e montar ela. A do BC, hoje foi investidor lá, hoje foi uma foto do BC. Só deixando meio que lá, teria que ser lá. A gente vai tirar aquela de lá. Aqui nós temos uma roupa, né? Como parece que deve cair para dentro. A gente vai descer a mesa para botar mais.
Yeah, I know.
Vou tentar calibrar isso aí depois que isso.
With that if you want. That's great. It looks really good.
Yeah, this is amazing pizza.
Good.
Original pizza from Italy.
Very good.
Very good. Thank you.
You're
Very
welcome.
good.
Always be my guest. Always in
Thank you.
Very good.
my store.
And what did you say the address is again, so I'm sure?
The address here is 2908
Okay.
Florida Avenue South.
South Florida Ave. Okay. Thank you.
Mobile Lakeland. We are here for everybody.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, you are. I want you all.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So it's 2908 South Florida Avenue, corner of Edgewood and South Florida, but it's 2908 South Florida Avenue, Lakeland, and right now this is the only one that's working in the United States. And it's right in front of the mobile gas station. I'll do one more last close-up. This is the peppers and mushroom one. So you have 3 choices right now. And yeah, I waited around for the prepared person to come down and they got working. So I got to try to this trip anyways, so that's pretty good. And I'm definitely going to come up here again. I don't live in Lakeland, but it's definitely worth the trip to try this. And this pizza is actually made in Italy and shipped over here. The whole machine and everything is made in Italy, so you know, it's much more authentic stuff.
And the machine.
Oh, yeah, the machine too, like I said. So it's all good, and it's really good, and they're really nice here
Yeah.
at the mobile gas station.
Very nice.
2908 South Florida Avenue. It's right in the corner of South Florida Avenue in Edgewood and Lakeland, Florida. And this is the first one in the US that's working right now. Alright. Hope you enjoy this. Bye. Alright. I'm trying some of the mushroom and peppers. And it's really actually it's pretty good. When they were testing the machine, I got to try a few of the others. The 4 cheese and the cheese, and they were pretty good too. But I think I like the mushroom and peppers one the most. Outright of spice. The cheese is really good. And the pizza itself looks really nice. I like it.
People were nice.
And everyone there was nice. You know what? If any machine that does pizzas, I'm all over that. That's a great idea. You know, if you're on the road traveling, or, you know, you only have a short time for lunch for your job, say if you're a construction worker or a plumber or just getting gas, you don't have much time, you pop in the $6, you get a pizza within a very short time. How could you go wrong with that? And of course, in the mobile gas station, you know, if you need a drink or other snack, you can pop in there and buy something to go with it. You have a full meal and a very small price. So definitely good. And I'm definitely going to be stopping down and trying this again. But again, like I mentioned, it's at 2908 South Florida Avenue in Lakeland, in Florida. And from what I understand, it's the first one of that type of machine that's working in the United States. The first pizza vending machine, which is cool. I mean, that's pretty much all I have to say about it. Like I said, if you're in the Lakeland area, stop at this mobile gas station, buy one. It's good pizza and it's a cool experience. And like I said, everyone there is very nice. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them below. I'm always happy to answer your questions. And I look forward to talking to you again soon, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Bye.